the price of ICP has obviously had an amazing bounce because we bounced off of yesterday's low prices, which was around $7.50. So now the question stands, is this the last time we're going to see the price of ICP really dropping as low as it did yesterday before we sort of continue making all-time highs and just, having a very good price discovery momentum? So obviously in yesterday's episode, right, we did decipher this particular move in all perfection. Watch yesterday's video, which was done about 23 hours ago, and we described the exact scenario that we are dealing with right now. And obviously we anticipated the price of ICP sort of having a little bit of a retracement, and this particular area is a very important area because from here we are going to definitely be able to figure out and get new trading information, and this type of information is going to help us come to a conclusive decision with regards to the bounce as far as internet computer is concerned, because there is another alternative scenario which could likely play out, and this scenario is definitely something that you should obviously look out for in case it turns out to be true, or in case it turns out to play out. So this is one of the reasons why we obviously have this amazing last bottom dip. So if the price of ICP is going to show a little bit of rejection at this particular level, we have to figure out exactly what is going to happen, whether we should be anticipating a further drop to the downside, which is obviously going to drop ICP less than $7. Now, this particular play right over here is something that could potentially happen. It could happen, and you have to have like an alternative play in your playbook so that you don't really get caught off guard. However, I really do not want to dwell on this alternative scenario because number one, we do not have a lot of trading data to cement the fact that, okay, we do have a lot of bearishness leading up to this particular sell-off, leading us down all the way below $7. So this is one of the reasons why I am definitely crossing this out at this particular moment. Probably in the next 3 days, we might revisit this theory. So what I just want to sort of cement in your planning, your trading planning, is it is a possibility. However, in today's episode, I really want to concentrate on the new data that we got, and due to yesterday's price prediction, right, as you can see right over here, this is the move we were anticipating, a push towards the upside, and it played out exactly as we anticipated. First of all, we sort of found a lot of bullish momentum, pushed up there, and we broke above the resistance that we talked about, and now we are sort of facing this resistance right over here. So the most bullish scenario, if we were living in a perfect world, this is what I would hope for. Let's say, for example, we end up retracing, boom, we go back to this particular bearish order block right over here. So let me just indicate it. This is the bearish order block, which is going to act as support. Okay, if we are really bullish as far as the bulls are concerned, right, this area is going to be a very significant area of support. So we're probably going to find some support right over here, then continue our move towards the upside. And we could potentially get rejected 1 or 2 times. We do that, we come back here again, find some support, and sort of push towards this particular upside. Depending on how bullish the move is, we could end up getting rejected right over here, and we sort of do that. Perhaps we even do that, and then we finally break out. However, if the bullishness is going to be so overwhelming, trust me, it's just going to sort of do that and continue going towards the upside. And our ultimate area of resistance is going to be above $10. So let's go to a higher time frame, which is obviously the 4 hours, because I really believe this is ultimate. It's going to be an ultimate test right over here, going to around $10. Okay, so at this particular moment, you guys have to be very careful. you have to be very, very extremely careful due to the fact that this could, or rather might as well be the area where the bulls really take charge and everything gets turned around. Okay, a lot of people have been saying, internet computer has just been fluctuating on the same level for a long period of time. We're tired of waiting, and a lot of people are pretty much frustrated. So this is one of the reasons why this coiling up trading action, the flatlining action, is a very, very strong, powerful indication of a very, very impulsive move towards the upside. So in case you snooze, you're going to end up losing a whole lot because the price is just going to like violently push up and it's going to do extremely well. So even though we're looking forward to the price of ICP going down here, I mean, I'm sure not a lot of you guys are looking forward to it, but it could potentially happen. So even though we have it at the back of our heads that it could potentially come back down here, we shouldn't really be that pessimistic and just wait for the prices to come here, because we might never get the chance to sort of get to buy ICP at these low levels. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why I'm saying dollar cost averaging here at $7.50 was a great opportunity for you to like utilize this as your first entry if you guys have been selling the tops etc. So if you're not really exposed to ICP at these low levels, trust me, things are going to get bullish really fast. I would really love to find out from your perspective, do you think the price of ICP has got another room towards the downside? Do you think we are likely to drop more, or rather drop further, before we continue our bullish trajectory towards the upside? Besides that, why are you inclining towards that thought? What is making you sort of come up with that conclusion? So please let me know in the comment section below, or if you're really ready for the price of ICP to go to a new all-time high around $70 to $100, type it in the comment section below. And did you watch yesterday's episode? Did everything that I talked about play out as expected, as explained? And do you find my tutorials and explanations very easy to understand with regards to taking action? So overall, the cryptocurrency markets have been very bullish because, as you can see, the price of Bitcoin is 68,652, and there's a higher probability that the price of BTC is definitely going to go to 73,000 US dollars, probably in the next 24 to 72 hours, due to the fact that Bitcoin is absolutely bullish at this particular moment, right? I am expecting ICP to reciprocate, because if bullish pumps, a lot of these altcoins are definitely going to push further up high. Okay, so that really decreases the price of ICP dropping as lower than $7, or potentially we could end up pumping to about $10 and then having a massive dump towards the downside. However, I would really encourage people to have reserve money in order for you guys to sort of get to purchase ICP at these particular low levels, because it could happen at a very fast period, or rather on a very impulsive move. So we push towards $10, then drop to about $6 or below $7. That could potentially happen as well. So that's why you have to be very, very organized as far as your trades are concerned. So that's the little update that I had for you. If we take a look at the markets, obviously the crypto bubbles right now are sort of showing us a little bit of bullishness right now, because everything has sort of bounced. So as far as internet computer is concerned, this is my internet computer news for you today. This has been my internet computer ICP price prediction, at least for the next 24 to 72 hours. So in case you enjoyed this breakdown, please smash the like button, because it really helps me. If you are listening to my voice right now, please smash the like button and drop me a comment in the comment section below with regards to how high you think the price of ICP is going to sort of pump, especially in this upcoming bull run. Take care. God bless you.